we can solve this question. Let A and B be natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers, which means A and B will be always positive. Now, if A square plus AB plus A equal to 14 and B square plus AB plus B equal to 28, we need to find the value of 2A plus 2B. In order to find the value, first I am writing the equation with the RHS part, bigger RHS part, which means the thing is you need to subtract two equations, then this AB part will be removed. Which if you subtract with the 14 minus 28, you will get a negative number. So try to eliminate the negative part. In order to do it, I am writing the equation with the bigger right hand side. First I have written this equation. Now A square plus AB plus A equal to 14. Just subtract these two equations. When you subtract it, 28 minus 14 will be 14. AB cancel. Then B square minus A square, B square minus A square, and here it will be B minus A. Now we can write B square minus A square as B minus A into B plus A plus B minus A equal to 14. I can take B minus A common, then the remaining value will be B plus A plus 1 equal to 2 into 7. This is the simplest form. Now B minus A, the difference of these numbers will be 2, and the sum will be always greater than the higher value will be, sum of two natural number will be higher when you compare the difference, and this is even higher than their sum. Now it is confirmed that when you compare it, B minus A equal to 2 and B plus A plus 1 equal to 7, which means when you take this 1 to the other side, B plus A equal to 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now when you add these two equations, what will you get? B plus B, 2B, minus A plus A, 0, 6 plus 2, 8, which means B equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Then B plus A equal to 6, which means 4 plus A equal to 6, which means A equal to 2. Now what is the value of 2 times A? 2 into 2 is 4, 2 times A is 4. Then what is the value of B? 4. So our answer will be 8. So this question is solved. Let ABCD be a parallelogram such that the coordinate of 3 vertices are given, respectively. Then the coordinate of D, the fourth vertex. Just draw one random quadrilateral A, B, C, D in the same order, A, B, C, D. Now what is the coordinate of A? 1, 1. Coordinate of B will be 3, 4. C will be minus 2, 8, and D is unknown. We can write it as x, y. Now first I will tell how to solve this question, then I will tell the idea. If you want to find the value of x, first I am going to find the value of x. Add the coordinates of x of opposite vertices. So x plus 3, here x plus 3, and equate with 1 plus minus 2. Then it will be x plus 3 equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 minus 3, which means x coordinate will be minus 4. If minus 4 is not, then the answer is done, because only one option has minus 4. Now we can also solve for the value of y. How will you solve it? 1 plus 8 equal to 4 plus y, which means 9 equal to 4 plus y equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to y equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. So this is the answer. The idea is, see, in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So this diagonal and this diagonal, they bisect each other, which means this is the midpoint of these 2 points, and this is the same midpoint of these two, B and D, which means this point, if I name this point as O, means O is the midpoint of A and C, and O is the same midpoint of B and D. But you can use midpoint theorem. So what is the coordinate of O when you take A and C? O will be sum of x coordinate, sum of these two by 2, comma 1 plus y coordinate, sum of y coordinate divided by 2. Similarly, if you find the value of O coordinate of with respect to D and B, it will be sum of x coordinate will be x plus 3 divided by 2, and it will be average. Midpoint means it will be the average, y plus 4 divided by 2. So when you equate it simply, what does it mean? When you equate the x coordinate means, see, you are simply taking the sum of the opposite vertices, that's all, which means you just need to take the opposite sum of opposite vertices and equate it, you will get the answer. Basically it is a midpoint theorem. Midpoint is the average of x coordinate and y coordinate respectively.